walk in on Zweleka comforting Hlathi, which was not a pleasant sight to see because Tumega is aware that Hlathi really loves Zweleka, but they can't be together because Zweleka doesn't want to be with him. So Tumega knows that she'll always be second best. So finding them in this position was a bit awkward. And because of everything that they're going through, case Kamva, the grief, it's just all a lot, Nje. But this will just remind Tumega that she'll always be second best and that Hlathi will always choose Zweleka no matter what. Now, because Uhlati no Tumega, they've been fighting about this whole thing that Uhlati went to drink no Zondo and she didn't want Unangaba to take the case. Well, Tumega ended up getting Unangaba to take the case, but I guess it was too late because the court ruled on Lwandle's favor because Uhlengwe has been working overtime trying to make sure Guti she builds a strong case for Ulwandle, claiming insanity, claiming abuse, and which worked on her favor because they came back from court and it's like Ulwandle is back home. Uthubeka even went and confronted Uhlengiwe saying ukuthi nifila kanjani, you guys are sitting here nonwabile, what about us? Our son is dead and you guys can't even look me in the eyes. Nifila kanjani knowing that your son killed my son, but he is working outside, he's working free. Well, Uhlongiwe fought for his son to make sure that he does not stay in jail. But Uhlathi nePride Racket delayed the whole process and Uhlengwe went too deep because I think he was even bringing in Ugutu Uhlathi is an animal that raised Ulikamva, the man that even stopped a mother from raising their own daughter. Now Uhlengwe is using privileged information when she was a lawyer Gahlathi. Man, that's not nice. And it seems like on my way to manage to get Uzoleka no Lazarus to fund the project Kawe, even though Onga has said no, he decided to go behind Onga's back and go ask for funding from Zweleka and Lazarus, and they agreed because Onga is feeling jealous because Umawet is doing all this for Kawe while he wants Kawe to rest, and Kawe is feeling alive and feeling happy about this whole thing. But now, another cyber attack is going to hit Khusela. Another enemy is coming. I wonder to see Nuzo Timapa Nova and Manje because it's been acting like a saint. Is Lillian coming back? What's happening? Stay tuned for updates this week. Thank you for watching. Bye.